All right, Geneva family, this is a video on how to deploy an email out of Top of Mind Surefire. So we're going to go ahead and get logged into your Surefire account. Once you're logged in, you should see a dashboard view. You are immediately going to go into your marketing queue, which is right here. You will open up the media library to access what media or emails you would like to deploy. From this point, you can view all of the most recently done emails, or you can choose your own with the public folder and going through all of the looks at the public folder. Just for ease and all of that, I'm just going to send out a holiday snowflake email. All right, to be able to preview this email, I would just click preview, search your database for one of the people in it, which I have added myself. As you can see, I'm going to select myself to preview the email. I can then see the way the body of the email looks, as well as the video itself. I want to make sure that all of my stuff is compliant at the bottom of it. Now that I have viewed it and selected it, and I know what it's called, it is the Snowflake email. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to Deployment Center. I'm going to create a deployment. This is a one-time deployment. If you're doing this on a reoccurring basis, then of course you can jump in there and do it on a reoccurring basis and set your dates. But for this one, we're just going to do a one-time deployment. I'm going to call this Holiday Break. Since I'm in between Christmas and New Year's, I'm doing this for myself. Obviously, you can do it for the entire company if you have the security rights to do so. I'm going to do this right now. Eastern time zone doesn't matter. I'm going to open the media library. This is where I'm going to choose that Snowflake email right here. So select that. I'm going to click Use for the email type. And now I'm going to click Next. This is where it goes into your database and starts building an audience. So what it's going to do is it's going to check your database for allowable and usable email addresses. So I just clicked Build Email, Email Audience. I'm going to target all valid contacts. So let's target all valid contacts. Oops. We have to choose an opt-out list. This basically means you have to choose a disclaimer at the bottom to allow people to opt out of an email. So once I click that, I'm going to choose all targets. It's now building an email audience out of my 708 people that I loaded in there. 421 seem good to go. So there's a list of the 421. I'm going to click Next. And then I can click to deploy. It's basically going to send it out right now to all of these people that I've loaded right there. So boom, yes, deploy, and the email's out. And that is all we need to do to deploy an email. Thanks for watching. More to come.